As if the black wasn't enough, I had to run it back with this color. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I think this one right here is my favorite. Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this gorgeous unit from Nadula Hair. This is their 7x5 closure wig. It is their bye-bye knots pre-layered Yaki straight bob wig. I do have it in 10 inches, and as you can see, it has this gorgeous chestnut brown ombre color to the unit. Now y'all are gonna see how easy it is to install this unit in literally seconds, not even minutes, seconds, okay? Because of the fact that Nadula Hair has done everything for us. Now, once you adjust that elastic band that's already attached to the wig, you literally throw this on just like so. Look how easy it was to put that on. Easy. Now, of course, we do have to go in and like position the unit, make sure the cap isn't showing. But this unit is already pre-plucked, pre-bleach, and the parting is already parted for you. So all we have to do is go in, and the fact that this comes with the drawstring in the back is going to be for that tug fit for a glueless unit. All we have to do is go in and flat iron the hair, because as you can see, with it being in a package, it kind of got out of formation and all of the things. But when I tell y'all, when we talk about a throw it on and go unit, this is definitely going to be it. And when it comes to a bob wig, Nadula definitely has it in the bag, because do y'all see this cut of this angle? No worries, we're going to get into it. You guys, and as you can see, this is going to be the finished look. I don't know, I love it in the black. You know, black is kind of like the natural standard color, but I think I'm in love with the color. Do y'all see this? Now, number one, if you're like me, I do a bad job when it comes to coloring hair, okay? I've been on trying to color this myself, and it won't look nothing like this. It'll probably be streaks in it, just all over the place, okay? Nadula Hair has done everything for you. Not only is it already pre-colored, so you don't have to worry about the mess and the stress of coloring the hair. They've already bleached the knots, as well as part it and pluck it down the middle for a middle part. And then the cut. Y'all see the cut on this unit? Look at that cut right there. It's perfect. Whether you go from the left or the right side, it is literally perfect, and it gives you that asymmetrical. As you can see, it's a little longer right here around the bang area, which I love. I love a good bob wig like that, because it just gives you that nice angled cut. Now, y'all did see, taking it out of the package, in the back it did have like, it wasn't as bumped as it is now. I did have to handle that. I do have on a halter top, so I feel like it keeps budging out right here because I have a big knot right here in my shirt. But other than that, y'all, this is perfect. This is completely glueless. However, you did see me go in with some spray. I like to do it like that to melt my lace down in place. I am in a very humid area. And with that being said, I want to make sure my lace is not like flapping with the wind. So melting it down is going to make sure that it stays in place, but it is completely glueless. They actually give you some tape if you wanted to tape it down and have like a longer wear inside of your package. However, that's just something I don't want to do. I just love the versatility of glueless wigs. I love the fact that I can switch them out and kind of do what I want to do. And so that is the reason why I did not do this. With this, you can part this anyway. With the lace can be parted not just down the middle. If you want to do a side part, you can do a side part, left or right. It's really just up to you. If you wanted to add some curls in this like y'all see me doing here, you can do that as well. But I do want to say that when it comes to a unit like this, that hot comb is going to be necessary. So as soon as you pop out a comb and say you want to part it to the right, you got to bring out that hot comb, sis, along with that wax stick, because that is what's going to give you a smooth, seamless, flat finish. Emphasis on flat, okay? We want the wigs to look as natural as possible. So a hot comb is definitely going to be your go-to best friend with this type of style. I'll put down in my Amazon storefront the hot comb that I use. Y'all, this unit is going to be a 10 out of 10. Would definitely recommend. I think y'all knew that already though, right? Like the fact that it is effortless, it doesn't take a lot of work. Once you melt the lace down to your forehead, make sure the lace is matching your skin complexion. You bump it a little bit, get it out of that package state. You are literally good to go. I could take this off and put it back on literally in seconds, not even minutes anymore. Nadula made this unit so you could put this on in seconds, and it literally gets no better than that. And I mean, stiff wear. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You always know you got a good vibe when you do that stiff test where you can, and then it yeah. Also had to step outside so you can see exactly what this hair looks like in the natural sunlight. This right here is on my iPhone, since most people will be taking pictures and videos on their iPhone as well. I just wanted to show you exactly what the hair looks like. So yeah, y'all already know how you do. I'm gonna put all the information down in the description box below for you to get your hands on this unit. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.